We're back on the parking lot job for today. We got rain rolling in this afternoon and I think all day tomorrow. So I got a bunch of little stuff I'm gonna try to clean up. That's the rest of my rock left over from the trails. I'm gonna clean up the two burn piles, I guess. I'm gonna take the stumps. We got a spot in the back. I'm gonna carry them out there. And then the ashes and stuff, I may just take all that back there. We got a big pile or a berm we're gonna build. And then all my dirt on the side of the pad there, all those spots where there's flags, I'm gonna try to build some kind of I don't know, like berms or rolling hills or just some little mounds or whatever like that, where they can do some various landscaping. This one may be kind of elongated berm, or just to kind of get some rolling hills and break up some of the flat part. I think where that bigger pile's at is going to be a big pile of dirt, and we're actually talking about, or they are putting some slides and stuff on the back side, so just kind of a big pile where kids can get up there and roll down it, slide down it, just whatever. So and these guys are working on starting cutting out for the track and stuff like that on the trains. I think they were going to bring some dirt up here with that wheel loader and start piling up there. But yeah, with the rain coming in, I just wanted to get that dirt moved. And then these berms and stuff like that are kind of new. They worked on that over the weekend, so we'll probably take some of that decent stuff and work on these two spots, and maybe right through here, get rid of the rock, clean this up, and just do a little bit of cleanup today. So yeah, let's see how much we can get done for the rain hits. Well, before my battery dies, I got all the burn piles kind of cleaned up, somewhat graded out. It's still waving pretty bad. And then I kind of worked on some more of the berms and stuff like that. Touched up the pad, and the berms just don't seem like they show up on camera, which is crazy. Got all the dirt cleaned off the side of where I built the pad here, and then this is going to be a future sidewalk to go to the burger stand. So I try to get that kind of cleaned up and graded off somewhat. Like I said, it's pumping pretty bad. And then